Uh-oh.
Slept pretty good last night. Getting the motorcycles packed up. We're working on getting packed up. About 45 degrees this morning, 46. Chilly, but we slept good in the tent, stayed warm, and didn't sleep bad at all. The air cushions helped a lot, for sure. So we're gonna pack up, get to rolling, get out of here.
Uh-oh. I bailed to try and keep that from happening.
So you going front end first or back end first?
That's slick. I think I'm just going to get up near that tree and just blast up through here. Hope for the best. I got close.
Oh. All right. Jake's in a pickle. Trying to get out of here. Well, you got close.
Can you pull it?
Hold on.
You pull it, I'll push. 1, 2. Ouch. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's good.
Now lay it down, you'll stand it up.
I got it. Definitely went the wrong way. Yeah, we should have went straight back there. Go ahead and get down, that stuff's gonna be rough. I can't get my leg over. Oh, yep. Of it? Probably not. Oh, nice. Still running. It's emerged. Huh. How about that? There you go for contact. We went down on that side. How in the world did that come off? Huh. wish it was longer. You know, a little too easy. We were just much better in shape than what this ride could throw at us.
Yeah, that's all BS. We just got home, got our first adventure ride done. Tour of the coal fields in West Virginia. How many miles did we get in, Jake?
Today?
Yeah, all together.
193 today, so a total of probably, I don't know, 410.
410 miles in 2 days. Camped out. Hit some really tough sections. I mean, like, really tough sections, but a whole lot of pavement, a lot of gravel. Pretty good trip. We're whipped, though. We're tired. A lot of rain today. Ugh. A lot of rain. Visibility was tough. Couldn't see through the visor.
Yeah, it's like a lot of today was riding through a cloud, so
Yeah.
you couldn't see 50 feet in front of you. When Dad was leading, every now and then he'd just disappear.
Yeah, it was hard to see, and your visor just stayed messed up. So it was a tough day in the saddle, but we got through it.